Hi guys, welcome to the 7th session of the Python programming of Learning Star channel. Okay, now let's dive deep into what are lists. A list is a collection of items in a specific order. Each item in a list has an index which is position starting from 0. Let's create a list to look better to it. Okay, let's create a list. We call it list. Oh, I write it wrong. List equal to. That's the syntax of a list. And you can. Okay, it's going to finish the current execution. Oh, I must cancel it. Okay, now this should run. Okay, this is a list. We can put item in it like this. Let's think of it as a list of names. Alex, Sarah, and Laura. Okay, let's run it. This is a list and we can print it. List. Okay. Let me cut it for now and write a print list, not its items. Okay, let's print it. As you can see, it prints all items in the list. Okay, to access a specific item, we use its index. Remember, indexing starts from 0. As I write it here, we can print the list item like that. List 0 index is preferred to Alex, 1 is Sarah, and 2 is Laura. Let's run it. As you can see, Alex, Sarah, Laura. We can change the places for you to see better. Okay. See? Laura. Okay. List have some properties that we should know. Items in a list maintain their order. You can change, add, or remove items from a list. A list can hold numbers, a string, even other lists. We can put a list in a list. Let me show you how. We copy that and print it here. And now we have a list in a list. And we can print the list item like that. Okay, let me delete that. Print list 3. Okay, 3. Am I right? Okay, let's run it. Laura, list item 3 and 2. As you can see, we write it. Okay, we can also access a range of elements using a slicing in Python. What does a slicing mean? We can print list item like this from 1 to 2. Okay, let's run it. As you can insert Sarah. Let's make it 0. And it prints Alex and Sarah. Okay. Let's write a Python program to separate even and odd numbers into different lists. Okay. For next exercise, you must write a Python program to separate even and odd numbers into different lists. The numbers are lower than 100. Okay, for now, let's write a code for you to better understand the list. Let's create a list and call it a list. We can call a list another names as numbers. This is a list too. For x in range 100 list dot append x print list. Okay, the append command is for adding something to list, and as you can see, you must just know we use append to add something to list. we learn more about this, but I gave you this hint to write the next session exercise. Okay, we have learned how to create lists, access elements, and perform basic operations on them. In the next tutorial, we will explore more advanced list operations like modifying, sorting, and adding, and use list comparisons. It's the end of this session. I will be happy to see you tomorrow. Practice and write this session exercise. And it's pretty easy. All you must know is the append and how it's worked. The append add item to list. Let me write another example. Number is equal to a list, and we can append number dot append and 5, and we print number. Oh, I write a little wrong. Oh, I must write a thing wrong. Print number y. It's wrong. Let's explain the error and fix it. Okay, wait. I don't know where I wrong, but let's write it. As you can see, the number 5 is append to the list. Here it's the end of this session.